Then continuing from the previous video, so as I told you, it is very important for us to have the perfect location of the door and the window. So now how to do that? So just see the plan. This is the window, this is the door, and this is the window again. So now just draw thin lines, okay, from this window. Again from the door draw thin lines. Again from the window draw the thin lines. So that is called as the projection lines. Okay, so these thin lines are called as the projection lines. So continue the thin lines, okay, into the room. Continue these thin lines and locate the window. So from this projection line you got to know the location. From this projection line you got to know the door location, and from these projection lines you got to know the window. So now let us discuss the at how much height the plinth, from the plinth the window should be located and all. Such details we will discuss in the further videos. So as this is just the basic video about the drawing, I have not told you at what height we are going to place these windows and door. I want only to know that what will be the location. So just drag these lines here, you will get the window location. Just drag these lines here, you will get the door location. Drag these lines here, the projection line, you will get the window location. So this is how we are going to see the elevation part. So then we will go to the section part. So here you can see this is the symbol of the section line. Okay, here I have taken the section line. So what do you mean by section? So section means we are going to cut the portion of the room right from the slab level. Okay, so if this is the slab, okay, imagine if this is the slab, right from the slab we are going to cut the room. Right from the slab up to the foundation of this room we are going to cut. So that is called the section. Right from the slab to the foundation, remember that. So that is called the section. So how we are going to cut the section? So here you can see I have shown the line here and I have shown the triangle mark here. So this line and the triangle mark is the symbol of the section line. Now as I told you, we have to imagine the cutting of the room, okay, right from the slab up to the foundation. So if you start to cut the slab, what will be below slab? There will be walls, right? Below the slab there will be walls if there is no beam. If the beam is attached with the slab, beam, wall, plinth and then foundation. It is this process. Now we don't have any beams here. So how to cut now? Slab, below the slab there will be wall, below the wall there is plinth, and below the plinth there is foundation. So let us not go into the foundation details here. So just let us imagine from the slab. So cut the slab, okay. So cut the slab, you have to imagine now you are cutting the slab. Below the slab you are cutting the walls, okay. Below the walls you are cutting the plinth. So now if you cut right from the slab, you will see the wall, the section passing through the wall, the section passing through the plinth. So now what I am going to do is,